Problem is simple. Wikipedia is great. If I want to know about Sundar Pichai or Elon Musk, I get an overview of who they are today. But what if I want to know how they got there? What exact steps, education, job, projects, or turning points led them to their current position? Wikipedia rarely tells them the full journey. Yes, Wikipedia is great, but it's only for the famous. And what if I want to know about someone not globally famous? Maybe a local entrepreneur or researcher or even myself. Wikipedia has nothing. That's where Ozo comes in. Ozo is Wikipedia for everyone. It doesn't just stop who someone is, it shows how they got there from Google search results, LinkedIn, GitHub, Facebook, and then Instagram, whatnot. It scraps all the data. Ozo stitches together a structured timeline of a person's journey. You can literally search your own name or anyone's and see their path mapped out. With Ozo, discovering people isn't just about a summary. It's about understanding the story, the growth, the journey, because knowing where someone is today is useful, but knowing how they reached there is inspiring. Here is one more use case, and I tried to search Pawan Kalyan, and yes, I got the profile. It's a beautiful UI, and all the data sources, like the resources used to fetch this profile, has been listed to the right. And this is a beautiful timeline from birth to death. Everything mapped out very clear.
So try Ozo now and know more about your colleague.
Let's see how AWS services will leverage to build Ozo. Use Kiro to generate the hooks, to build specs and steerings, etc. And then AWS Bedrock LLM. Let's see how it enhances Ozo's core functionality. So Bedrock's Claude 3 Sonnet powers Ozo's intelligent analysis of scattered biographical data across the web. When users search for someone's journey, the LLM processes raw information from Google search, LinkedIn profiles, and GitHub contributions to create coherent chronological narratives. Instead of just displaying disconnected facts, Bedrock helps Ozo understand context, recognizing when someone's software engineer at Google role was actually a career pivot from finance, or identifying which university project led to a breakthrough startup idea. Basically, it's a multi-orchestrated pipeline with API scrappers, link summarizers, and web scrappers, and combinedly gathering all the context text for the raw text data. So the agents were the Bedrock's agents, LLMs are used everywhere here in this process, and then the LLMs actually are worked here to synthesize the data in a chronological order, and then reflecting all the sources, links, and resources here. The LLM also generates insightful summaries for each career milestones, explaining not just what happened but why it is significant in the person's journey, making Ozo's timeline more engaging and educational than simple data aggregation. And then Bedrock agents are perfect for Ozo's multi-source intelligent gathering process. Yeah. So here we have when a user searches for someone's journey, Bedrock agents orchestrate the complex workflow of querying APIs, Google search, LinkedIn integration, GitHub analysis, cross-platform synthesis. The agents intelligently decide which data source to prioritize based on uh, persons digital footprint, focusing on GitHub for developers, LinkedIn for executives, or news articles for public figures. They also handle data validation and conflict resolution when different sources provide contradictory information about dates or other roles. Most importantly, Bedrock agents maintain context across multiple API calls, ensuring that Ozo builds a coherent timeline rather than just collecting random facts. Yeah. Autonomous AI agent transforms Ozos from a simple search tool into an intelligent journey discovery platform. And the reasoning capabilities analyze patterns across thousands of career journeys to identify common success factors. So career transaction strategies and milestone significance are a go through, helping users understand not just what happened in someone's journey, but why certain decisions were pivotal. The autonomous Features enable Ozo to continuously update profiles as a new information becomes available online. Automatically detect when someone changes jobs or achieve new milestone, and proactively suggest related profiles that user might find inspiring based on similar career paths. Yeah. This makes Ozo a living, breathing platform that grows smarter with each search and provides increasingly valuable insights about career development and human potential. So there are a lot of functions and a lot of API calls. So